We're back with the Rogers Report. It has been since February of 2020, but for the 100th homecoming of Bowling Green State University, we're going to show you some great highlights. We're back with the Rogers Report. Today's dedication is certainly an honor, not just for me as an alumnus and as president, but it's for all of our current and future students. Students who have a home here.
Well, with the young ones that were here, they were probably anywhere from 4 to 8 years old. And the reason I didn't run is because I didn't want to get beat by an 8-year-old. I mean, it would just harm my ego too much. But, when I talk to those young kids, I try to emphasize the fact they should try as many things as they possibly can at a young age. For these young ones to come out here and try running, I love to see it. And you just want them to stick to it. 50 years, it's just hard for me to believe. You come back and the campus has changed so much since I was here. But I absolutely loved coming back. When you get with your friends and your buddies, especially with my cross country and track buddies, it's like a day hasn't gone by.
I probably have been coming to Bowling Green's homecoming for about 70 years. It's just a fun school, a fun place to be. I really wanted to come back for this homecoming, so it's really special.
I'm a freshman, so this is my first homecoming. We just got here. I have a lot of things to go look at. There's a lot going on, and I'm really excited to see everything they have.
Well, certainly today is a beautiful day to be here at the 100th. I mean, this is history in the making, so we're living history. If you select this school, it will change your life. You make lifelong friends, and Bowling Green is entrusted and invested in your success. And I guarantee you, it will be a part of your life forever.
What an amazing 100th homecoming at Bowling Green State University. We kicked it off Thursday night with the Academy of Distinguished Alumni, where we honored 4 amazing alumni of this institution. And Friday night, Court Street Block Party, just down the street here. We brought people from all over, students and community members and alums came back to celebrate. Saturday morning, we kicked it off with the Freddie and Frida Falcon 5K. Of course, started by Dave Waddle. And then we had a chance to open that fountain right behind me, the Alumni Gateway, dedicated to all the alums of this institution. And how could we forget the vow renewal? We had hundreds of couples that came together, Falcon Land, and then we went out to the stadium, had the tailgate park, amazing celebration, and then there was that football game. That team came to town that beat Notre Dame the week before. They came into the Doit and we took care of them in overtime. And of course, those amazing fireworks. What a week we had. 100th homecoming at Bowling Green State University. I can't wait to see you at next month's Rogers Report.